Hi everyone, we play Squid Game. You don't embarrass me, mother, father. Fathers. Please! Ah, kalbunin na yun. Let's go! Wait lang! Baka na, legit! Go, go, go! Yes. Yes. Ito na. Ha? Asan? Wala kasing Google eh. Ay, hindi nakakalik sa email ko eh. Sana iayos ko yun. Kabado nga ako nung nagganon ulit yung itong ano ko. Anyong minyons ko. Nagganon din. But if ako ang guard, sorry, wala akong premium. Oh, ah, player. Walang lock. Yung ano, prank sa ano? Di ba meron kang voice chat? Wait lang. Try natin sa TikTok. Tsaka lang. Wala, hindi naman namin narinig. Sa Meda. Pangit talaga ng manika. sa Meda. Yes. Yes. Uni! Sa mingle. Paano kaya kapag dalawa lang, ano? Sinong itatapon natin? Ito six, ano? Ito six leg. Oh my goodness. Oh my God, Heather. Still. Hmm. My God. Ito na. Oh my goodness. No! Next. No! Wala, bakit ito na ba to? No! Come on. No! Ang hirap ng mura! Ang hirap ng mura! No! You die? Oh no. Wait lang! I need to survive too.
Ito muna. Ito na.
For this game, watch it.
Wait lang! Ay!
B! 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 Wait! B! Wait! Please! Ako naman ang maladay. B! No! Wait!
Wait! Wait lang, natapos na ako.
Shy?
Natapos na ako!
Yes!
Teka lang, sana wait ka lang! Let's go.
Oh my God.
Wala, patay na ako! Baka...
It's not my fault. No! There's a spin. Yes.
Pero kayo hindi ko nawan. Ang hirap ito. Eh, nasa mo, yellow. So, green ko. Ang green mo. Oh, hindi mo. Next. Oh, green. Green. Purple. Blue. Talo nung tayo. Ano yun? Ano? Green.
Pindot-pindot ka lang. Okay.
Yun na yun? Ano?
Like kaya?
Tapos na ako yun.
Okay, let's leave. Diba? Squid Game din, pero iba. Ano ba yung sinasabi mo, Jai? Yung ano? Shrimp game daw. Squid Game din yun. Kaya kami mag-join, Jai. Bibi! Hindi mo pala nakakatakot kapag talaga yung ano eh. Diba? No, naglalaro tayo. Oh. Ay, ka na. Ay. Shrimp game.
Isa kayo.
Wait lang, joining pa lang.
Tag-minute. May ano dito.
Oo nga, may tugtog doon. Huwag na tayo magpatugtog. Cutie!
Wait lang, hindi naman niya. Kukuha ako sa akin da. Sama kayo, dali na.
Are you? Ah, dito. Bakit maglakad siya? Saan kayo? Uy. Uy. Teleporting na. Wala, natapon na naman. Andito na ako, ayun oh. Wala, wait lang, bakit parang wala kayo dito? Splat.
Ano saan yung minyang?
Ayun na, magkasama na kami ng kuya mo. Kasama na kami ng kuya mo.
Ha?
Kasama nga ako ng kuya mo. Pati nga iyo.
Lang.
Ayan. Magkasama nga tayo. Oh my God.
Mag-disconnect ako.
Pangit. Yung mga mukha ay, oh my God. Ah, ito yung bagong ano, yung bagong labas.
Maganda to.
Parang
Ito,
totoo.
totoo yung manika. No!
Oh my God. Ah, ito yung ano, dito kasi. Ah, hindi ka naman mahalata. Ay, I mean, halata ka eh. Hindi magaan.
Red light. Green light.
Na-off ka na, G.
Green light. Green light. Ayun.
No. Yes. Yes, I'm not too. Diba? Sabi. Eh, huwag ka kasing gumalaw.
Ito na nga, ha?
Nag-live na nga kami. Red light. Green light. Jay na ulit, Daiki.
After nito, ano? Like, ano lang yan after nito?
Yung element daw.
Element?
Nilalaro niya kanina.
Yung award mo. Bakit? Sabi, kuyawa.
Game, halika na, Daiki. Dito na kami. Candle Jester ka ba?
Open up with Boss Materials if I can find it. Right here, Open World Boss Materials done. Flowers also done. The weekly boss is easy, but is it this easy? Can I do it with her? Okay, let's try. You need Night Soul. It's not easy. They're lying. You're telling me my Twitch chat, my viewers are a bunch of liars. How can they be liars when they watch me, the most truthful person there is on the planet? How is that possible? You know, like the viewers imitate the streamer, right? So how can they be liars if I am honest? That's not possible.
We never
I don't
lie.
know anything about this boss. I think I saw it in the live stream trailer for a bit. I don't know how this works. Is my dad in here? I think I'm lost. Fight me! That did nothing. That is actually insane. That did absolutely nothing. So HP, look at this HP. By the way, there's no way you whack it to death like this, right? You jump.
What happened?
I think you actually do jump, but it's
What
so
is happening?
fast.
Let's go! Daiki, huwag kang gagalaw, ha? Oh, huwag kang gagalaw.
Sword, you know
Kapag
what? It's time to break
red
it.
light.
Okay, enough is enough. Okay, no more playing around. There has got to be a mechanic where you
Ano
do
number
it
ko?
and its HP just drops by like half, right? But if you
One?
sit close to it, it does less damage. How do you?
94.
Oh, jeez,
46
this is impossible. What's it doing? Okay.
Si Uni!
Just standing
Ako,
still.
94.
How?
Ako,
Ah.
46.
How?
Si Uni.
Oh.
Si Uni.
Si Yumi.
What? What arena?
Shop.
We do. Do I still fight it? It's gone. There's no way. No way. Nah, this is one shot mechanic for sure. No, let me leave. I'm sorry.
Oh,
Let me leave.
I
Where'd it
can...
go?
Ano?
You can't see. Yo, run, dodge me, that was me.
Ayun na, yun na, yun na.
Yes,
2, 1.
Hyper with bursts. How many times can I iframe that realistic? My tradition! Hoyoverse, why would you do this? Why would you patch my tradition? This is how you know the game has new power traps. When you can't solo a boss with cheating, you know the game has new power trap. There's no way, no shot. I'm just gonna watch it. Here we go. Chat, I'm in complete darkness. Help. I got it for this. I got it for this attack. Is that good? Is that supposed to happen? Alright, let's see if I can get green. Okay, we did level 1 ability to level 8, I think. First things first, let's activate our constellations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. C6 Mavuika. Now
Ang
it's
cute
time
ay.
to level her up. And there we go. Level 80. Can I level the weapon to level 70 as a question? Ooh! Wait, gloves! Wait, is this unique to Mavuika? It's not as a pair.
Green light.
Stop.
Green light.
Gumagulo yung isa. Bakit hindi? Bakit hindi siya kinil? Stop.
Green light.
Nasa pinakahuli ka? Ah! Tumakbo ka kasi. Stop. Nasa pinakahuli ka. Mamatay ka na.
Oh,
Tumakbo ka.
red light.
Oh.
Let it go!
Pwede tumakbo ka. Matatalo ka na. Pwede takbo. It's only 15 na lang.
Wait.
Go, go.
Whoa!
Oh!
Wala.
Wala. Natalo na ulit.
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 Rejoin.
Rejoin.
Hindi ko kasi nakapag-show.
Oo, hindi ka kami natakbo eh.
Facts. My good sands! Where's my sands? All my sands are so. I believe in miracles, chat. I believe in miracles. All crit
Tumakbo ka ha.
damage.
Anong second game nito?
That's not bad. I'll take
Ganun din?
That's better than this.
Ah, sugar.
Better than this. That's
Sugar combo.
the same crit rate, basically. That is just genuinely the best I can get out.
Pasok na.
Talent. C6 Mavuika. What do I level? 188. Well, what if I need to do physical damage?
Nandito ka na, Jay?
Skill and basic. Yeah, I feel like there's some missing.
Dali.
688. 888. I can't do 888.
Nandito na kami sa loob.
888. Well, I can technically because I
Yeah.
have like C6 but 6 10 10. I can do 6 10 10. Unless I can do 6 11. Now you might say, how are you gonna level up the talents?
So pa, Jay?
Have none of the weekly bosses materials. What there are these? Oh, dream solvents. That's right. Dream solvents. So what we do with the dream solvents is take one
Legit,
boss
tumakbo ka.
and a dream solvents, and you can convert it to whatever you want. Just
Hindi ko
like
tumakbo eh.
that. Cool. Is C6 Mavuika more of a burst character or skill
Tumakbo
character?
ka.
Not C1, not C0, not C2, not C3, not C4, not C5, C6. Burst? Wait, Siloted sit Lolly Farina Mavuika. I feel like that has got to be an insane team. There we go. 6, 10, 11.
Ang dami niyong kalbo dito.
What does C6 Mavuikas? Anybody know? Just charge
Shadow
attack. What
King
do I
and
need? Skill, burst, and then just
VN.
charge attack. He is perma up. But he is perma up. Wait, I thought burst puts you in motorcycle mode now. Okay, hold E. Now what? I'm literally on the bike forever. I don't run out! Perma DPS! God, my hair's on fire. Okay, I think we're good. Attack, 1.8 attack. Stats, 40% crit rate, 217% crit damage. Weapon, 1,000 Blazing Suns. Artifacts, 4-piece Codex. Constellation, 6. Talon, 6, 10, 11. Glider, okay, my bad. Which one are we feeling? I am feeling, you know what? She's like a Fontaine character, right? So, like, maybe Fontaine would be cool.
Nandito tumakbo ka.
Genuinely think we can do all the bosses within 1 hour? We just can't do
Later.
Are
Sa
you
green
guys
and
ready?
red light.
Alright, spam my UID. Press the join button. Get ready. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3. But your Mavuika has to be good. That's my one requirement. Your Mavuika has to be good, okay? Build check time. Oh, we have a C1 Mavuika this time. Weapon, ooh, Serpent's Mind. Artifact, 4-piece Obsidian Codex. Constellation, 1 talent, 677. Okay. Stats, 59, T43. Next one, next one, next one. C0, C0, okay. C0. Weapon, you got the weapon. Stats, 59, T24. Holy shit, everybody is 100% crit rate. Artifacts, 4-piece Obsidian Codex. Talent, 677. Okay, good looking,
Green
good.
light.
Units, Constellation, 0 talents.
Mag-spelling na nga lang ng green, kulang pa ng R.
You need to get a better one, okay? I'm sorry, okay? We're gonna get a new one.
Legit takbo ka.
C0, that's 52
Nasaan ka?
to 22. Weapon,
Nasaan ka?
Serpent's Mind, Artifacts, 4-piece Obsidian.
Sumabay ka sa akin, ha?
Constellation, 0
Takbo ka.
talents, 666.
Let's go. Takbo.
The artifact is cool too. It's time to start.
Hindi, takbo ka.
I'm
Mamaya, mamaya.
Shit before.
Seconds, probably. Alright, here we go.
Sige na, takbo.
Do not move in the... Don't.
You're second. I think you're a bit late on that one.
Takbo pa, Daichi. Stop.
Critical.
Saan tayo mo? Takbo.
Why?
Takbo. Takbo, 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 takbo.
Boss. Okay. Perfect.
Wala pa nga, hindi pa eh. Oh, stop.
Sorry. Oh my god.
Hindi yan. Basta sabihin mo. Takbo, takbo, takbo. Takbo.
We'll turn off
Takbo.
remove the mic. I'm pretty
Stop.
sure. I'm gonna turn off wall effects. On their mics. I'm gonna turn off wall effects. Sprinkle.
Fly me to the moon.
Takbo ha.
Oh, yes. That'd be kind of right. Like this.
Takbo, takbo.
Oh, no!
Stop, stop. Tumakbo ka na. Diretso na yan. Diretso na yan.
That's what?
Diretso na yan.
Ah!
Go, 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 go. Yes.
Yes.
Good job.
This is good test.
Celebrate na kayo.
Mamaya kasi hindi na. Hala yung sugar cone niya. Sana mabilis lang. Dapat circle lang yung kanya.
Outbreak aside.
Tayo.
Ikaw ang gagawa ha. Kung payo yung mapunta sa kanya.
What base? What base? No.
Okay. Thank you.
It's really not my fault. Okay, it's really not my fault. Okay, team, you got this. I believe in you. Got it. Get it. That's it. What? Oh,
Fly me to the moon.
let's go. Let's go.
And let me fly
I don't
more.
Let's play more can break up one. That time. 3, 2, 1.
Ay, mukha na pala VIP dito.
I got my first.
Ang mahal.
I got my first again.
Okay.
Time up.
Oh my God, sugar comb.
Okay, time up 100 HP.
Oh my God. Daichi, ano? Ano?
Chat, this
Pumimili ka na. Pili, pili.
hard to play out. It's not just me. I
Bigyan naman.
Circle!
Tayo!
Hala!
Oh, wait, ikaw na kwento ko na sa tayo.
Go. Yes! Out! My pants spin.
Hala.
Spin away. I'm spinning away.
Uy, paano to?
Ikot mo lang yan.
Paano ikot? Ah,
Chat, this boss is genuinely one of the hardest bosses in Genshin Impact. Like, no cap,
No.
actually, like, really, like, actually. That's it. Come on, you can do it. Hey, it's not even like, that was like, what, 2 minutes? That's pretty fast. That's just dodge.
Hala!
World records.
Oh my God.
Stop spinning, dodge. You can't just stop spinning. It just goes
Uy,
on.
ano yan?
Dali mo. Nakakarak na yung akin eh.
Tree, I think. Oh, alright, give me a spin.
Oh shit. I'm going to die.
Chat,
Yes, I am.
see what's going on.
Stop sa amin.
This is together. What's happening?
Ala! Matay na! Hindi yan!
Wait, everyone died? It's
Yung
fine.
gilid lang. Yan, yung gilid lang. Gilid lang tanggalin mo. Yan.
You guys got this. You guys got this.
Yes!
Ako na mo. Ako ako.
This one we
Uli!
Ooh, so close. Okay, this one I'm not gonna die. Chat, I'm not gonna die. Why do you guys never believe me? Get it? All have it.
Oh, my po.
Itatanggawin ko na.
Maganda kayo next ano.
Ito.
It's okay. Run.
La! Richie, alam mo, hindi tayo
That's it.
magkaka-team. Yeah.
Got it.
Hindi kasi
Nice.
sa tag of
Super
war.
great. We're not even a challenge, everyone. We need secret weapon? I don't think so. What feasible? I believe we will beat it before it flies. 3, 2, 1, let's go. All right, here we go. Ah, shit, I forgot the timer. It's fine. A 2-second fight. Pretend that never happened. That never happened. Now wait for the boss to be up before I use my flight. Let's go. Yes. Get it.
Uli! Ay! Patayan pala yan, guys.
Get it? Nice.
Ah?
Get right.
Ayaw nga.
3 seconds. Jump.
Ako na lang kayo.
It is go long. Okay, this one's hard because it gets resistance.
Ah,
So can we break the shield fast? So you are breaking pretty fast. I'm
Oo
gonna
nga,
save
patayin
mine
nga.
first, actually. Once it's down, I think it's over. Okay, here we go. First. Oh! Oh my god! Good!
Shoot.
Nice. Alright, that wasn't even a flip. Batman bosses. Alright, the Fat Dragon.
Hindi
Let's
kita
see if we can
aanin.
spin forever in this. I don't think it attacks too much. It just like spins.
Legit,
very
run ka lang.
This time around, the Archon finally gets a good
9 seconds na lang, guys. Huwag na kayo mamamatay, please.
Oh my
Wala,
god.
ala, eliminated!
Ikaw?
Oh my god.
Tama.
Damage. Look at the damage. Damage.
Yes, survivor kami.
Hit you if you spin. We got it. Got it.
Yes!
You're always hitting on a 4-sword lane.
Go guys, kaya niyan.
Spectator ka. Sorry, bong. Sorry.
Look at that.
Ito yung
Like, isama ka sa akin, ha?
Dude, okay, this one is literally gonna die in like 2 seconds. Alright,
Ito na
Nakita ko, nakita ko.
let's see what this is like.
Go guys.
Huwag ka lalayo. Dito lang.
First hit.
Oo.
My god, that was like 2 hits. Alright, nice. Start. There we go. You guys do it? First. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Don't miss us.
Ayun na. 1, 2, 2. Yan. 3. Lang, dito.
No!
Dito. Oni! Wala!
Sige. Hindi na lang survivor. Good luck. Good luck.
You can do it.
You can do it.
Sorry.
First pushing
One minute.
So the only
Okay.
purpose of the first is to like first like
Reggie, sumama ka sa mga madadami ha.
Yan. So, makakain. Kay Thanos. Ilan? 1.
Yan! Wag! Isa lang!
Isa. Pasok ka
Yan!
dyan.
Yan!
it's so hard I can't see what's
Ayaw mong bukas.
particle effects.
Ayaw mong bukas. Okay.
Wait lang, wala tayo.
Okay.
Okay lang.
Tatay Gon.
What do you say?
Bye everyone! That's all! Make sure to